This is the most asked question, and I know this is why you guys are here, because of this question. So I'm just gonna answer the question. Do you have a boyfriend? Are you in a relationship? Who is your man? Today is the day that everyone is gonna know if I have a boyfriend, if I'm in a relationship. So the answer is, drum roll please. That's not how a drum roll sounds. Oh. The answer is what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, I'm doing a Q&A. If you guys don't follow me on my IG or any of my socials, I asked you guys to ask me some questions that you guys want to know, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I don't want this to be like a boring Q&A, so I was like, what am I gonna do? Okay, I was like, I'm gonna do this like I think it's called mukbang. I don't know what it is, but yeah, so I'm gonna be eating and then answering you guys questions. I wrote the questions down because I'm recording on my phone, so it's fine. I'm recording on my phone, so I wrote the questions down. So I'm gonna be eating and answering the questions. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I have some seafood. By the way, I've never gone to the seafood before. This is gonna be my first time, and I got this just for this video. So I got some shrimp fried rice. Whoa! Oh my god! I need to do a thumbnail or something. Okay, so this is the food right here. I have some crabs with corn and potato and some shrimps, and I think this is sausage. So, and then I have the shrimp fried rice. I don't want to eat a lot though. Probably I'm gonna save the rest for later. So this is shrimp fried rice. I got this from the Chef Chow restaurant. Yo, this is bussin'. Okay, so I'm ready to eat. Got my questions right here. I hope y'all can see what I'm gonna just put the paper right here. Got my water, open it. Ooh, let's pray first. Amen. Okay, so where do I start? No, I'm gonna eat first because I'm hungry, y'all. Let's start with the food. This is bussin', for real, no cap. I'm standing up for this one. Yo, this is so good. When I asked you guys to ask me a question, I already knew what the question was gonna be. Like, I already knew what most people want to know. Y'all want to know if I have a boyfriend, if I'm in a relationship. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell y'all, but I'm gonna put that at the end, so don't skip, just watch everything. So that's gonna be like at the end of the video. And follow me on my socials. It's gonna be in the description below, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm doing this at, what time is it? I think 10-11 p.m. right now. So yeah, ew, this is touching my table. Okay, I'm gonna try this, then I'm gonna start the questions. Why am I standing up? I really don't know how to crack this, y'all. So yo, Okay. Put in the butter. Now I'm gonna put in the sauce. First bite. Mmm. Yo. And it didn't cost, like, it was $30 too, which is not bad. Yo, this is good. It's a little bit salty though, but I'm hungry, so I don't care. All right, let me start with questions. Okay, so the first questions, I think first questions. First question, would you like to be famous? Would I like to be famous? I would say yes and no, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. I would like to be famous because, I mean, some of y'all may know I like, you know, to sing. I like to sing. I would love to, like, be a famous, like, singer, like, you know, famous musician like Beyonce, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I would love to be famous. But at the same time, I cannot take this skill. Oh my god, I feel like the seafood lovers hate me right now because the way I'm doing this. At the same time, I would not like to be famous because I feel like I'm never gonna have a private life, and a lot of people are gonna be in my business, and like a lot of, like, you know, people are gonna say what they want to say, you know what I'm saying? Like, famous people are really trying, because sometimes they just wake up in the morning and just hear like some random news about them, like, who made this up? Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to have a life like that. At the same time, I would like to be famous, like, duh. But y'all, it's a little bit salty. I ain't gonna cap. It's salty. Put it in the butter. Okay. Oh my god, I shouldn't be smacking like that. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday? I used to like Christmas when I was little, but Christmas isn't like Christmas anymore. Maybe because I'm like an adult now or something, but it doesn't feel like Christmas anymore. So I guess Christmas, I don't feel it anymore. So favorite hobbies, I have a lot. I like to sing, I like to dance, I like acting because I want to be in the movies, you know what I'm saying? I want to be in the movies someday, hopefully. Like modeling, you know, like entertaining, like stuff like that. Yeah, that's what I like to do. Should I try this sausage? Ooh, I don't want to eat this weird on camera because I feel like someone's gonna try to screenshot me eating this, and I don't want to. Let me try the potato. So I dip it in the sauce. Why am I wearing white? Good. Okay. This is busting. It's good. Okay. Do you like scary movies? I don't like watching scary movies by myself, but if I'm with someone, then I can watch it. But by myself, I can't. But do I like it? Not really. I don't really like it like that. There's nothing in here. What is? Oh, I already spilled it. Spill it on the table. Yo, I need to stop moaning. Yeah, I don't like watching scary movies by myself, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna be sleeping by myself, and I don't want to be thinking about what I just watched. So, how many kids do you want? Do you want some kids? Yes, I do want kids. I want like 4, but the maximum is 5. If I have 5, then that's still okay, but after 5, I don't want more. But I want 4. I want twins. I want twins. I want twins. Like when you see food, it's like dancing. I've been starving all day just for this video. What's your dream house? My dream house, when I have a family of my own, of course, I'm probably gonna put like a picture right here so I can see what I want my house to be in the future. Hopefully. Why can't I take this? Why is it so hard? Okay. Y'all probably mad at me because I don't know how to eat crabs. Because I'm eating it weird. Are you in a relationship? No, I'm gonna answer that at the end. Since that's what you guys came here for, you probably wanna know the tea. If anybody wants to do a mukbang with me for my next video, just let me know. Let's see. Who is your celebrity crush? My celebrity crush. What are y'all? I used to have a crush on A$AP Rocky, but my girl Rihanna, I love Rihanna, so I am crushed A$AP Rocky. I don't have a crush on A$AP Rocky no more. I don't have no celebrity crush right now. I used to have a crush on the dude from on my block. I think his name is Jamal. No, his name is I think Breath Gray on IG or something. Yeah, I think that's his name. But I don't really have a crush on him anymore. I need a new celebrity crush. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, I need a new celebrity crush. I don't have one right now, so yeah. Trying to figure out where I want to dip this. Butter. Okay. How tall are you? I am 5'2". I've been 5'2" for like how many years now? No, I was 5'1" for the longest. And then I'm just now 5'2". Let me sit down. Why am I standing up? I've been trying to find time to like make videos even in school, but it's been hard. It's been hard. If I can do this full time. No, there's like nothing in here. Oh, there's something in there. I can see a whole meat in there. Yo. Look. I was about to throw it away. What is your pet peeve? My pet peeve. Ooh. Okay. Yo. I don't like when I'm about to do something and then someone tells me, oh, go do that, when I'm just about to do it. Like, now I don't feel like doing it. Like, that just might be the biggest pet peeve. Like, I don't like that. If I'm about to do it and you see that I'm about to do it, don't be like, oh, go do that. Like, no, I'm not gonna do it. Like, no. I hate that. I hate that. Favorite color? I like blue and orange. Blue used to be my only favorite color, but now I'm starting to like orange. So blue and orange. Biggest fear, y'all, my biggest fear is snakes. Ooh, I can't like, I feel like if I see a snake like loose near me, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I can't do snakes and the ocean. I don't like big waters because my biggest fear is drowning, and I just don't. So snakes and drowning, like ocean. I hate big waters, so yeah. Okay, so what do you find attractive in guys? Ooh, okay. What I find attractive, I know this is weird, but because I actually told someone this and they were like, that's weird, but I like, it's just something about the way, like the walk, like the footsteps, like the walk step, like it's just something about the walk, like that just, I don't know, it's just something about it. I know that's weird, but yeah, like a guy, like the way they walk. Let's see, what else? Like the voices and the height, and of course personality, and you know, having like something planned for your future and actually working towards it. You know what I'm saying? But just something about the walk though. This is the last question, the question everyone wants to know. The question the question you guys are here for: do I have a boyfriend? Do-do. Do-do-do. Everyone wants to know this question. Do I have a boyfriend? Am I in a relationship? Who is your man? Okay, so I'm really gonna answer the question, y'all. Hold on, but let me eat this first, and I'm gonna answer the question since everyone wants to know. I was like standing the whole video. Or I'm gonna answer the question. I'm not avoiding it. I didn't eat my corn. Why did I just do that? I'll put it in the sauce. This is yo. This is so good. I don't want to eat this on camera. I really don't. Cause I feel like y'all gonna try to screenshot me eating this. If y'all know what I mean. So I'm just gonna try to break it. Ow! And just eat it. Still no difference, but don't screenshot. Okay. I'm just gonna answer the question. Do you have a boyfriend? Are you in a relationship? Who is your man? Today is the day that everyone is gonna know if I have a boyfriend, if I'm in a relationship. So the answer is, drum roll please. Is that's not how a drum roll sounds. Oh. The answer is yes. I am in a relationship. I said, what? I can't even talk. I'm stuttering. Yes, I am in a relationship. And yes, I do have a boyfriend. I'm not gonna say too much about it. And you guys are hopefully gonna meet him soon. We're gonna make some YouTube videos and everything. So I'm done. I'm pretty full. I didn't even finish my food. I still have like this too, and I still have potato and stuff. And I didn't even eat my shrimp. Did I even eat at all? Thank you guys for watching this video, this mukbang. This is my first mukbang, and I'm probably gonna do more like this. I like it. You know what I'm saying? So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Hit the bell. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.